Good afternoon, everybody. Joe from Joe's Golden Garage. Got a little treat here, a little Mercedes treat. This is a 2006 E350 that we picked up at auction in Nashville. And boy, is she a beauty. Beautiful car. Those headlights. This is a two-owner Coral Gables car. Serviced at Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables only. And here's the best part. She has only 54,228. That's all she's got on her. Now, she's not perfect, but she's in pretty darn good shape. Let's do a little cold start. And when I say cold, I'm talking Tennessee 70 degrees, sat overnight cold start. We have a reminder for a maintenance warning for the battery. It's got a pretty old battery in it, and we've got to just go get one. We had to jump start it to get it home. The alternator is working. We've just got a bad battery in it, but she runs great. Got some options: nav, heated seats, Harman Kardon, got the cool burled wood trim, got the power rear sunshade. Always like those. Just a beautiful car. Hood. She's riding on a decent set of Uniroyal Tiger Paws. They have good looking tread on them. I've got a new hood star that came in the mail just this morning. I'm going to show my brother how to put it on. This is a car he actually found. And he is not a Mercedes guy. But he got tired of hearing me talk about it all the time. So when he came across this one with only 54,000 miles and a sexy Carfax, he jumped all over it. Man, she runs good. Runs good. Bought the car online, sight unseen, which I never ever suggest. But there was one person on the floor bidding against my brother. And I figured, well, if this guy's on the floor looking at it and he's bidding against him, it must be pretty decent shape. So, won the car, very inexpensive. Way, way, way under 10 grand. Way under 10 grand. But when we went to go pick it up in Nashville, we don't know if it was our losing bidder. Got a few little things we got to do here. We got the felt peeling away, which happens very often from sliding in and out. someone vandalized the nav screen, ran the battery down, turned the parking lamps on and read the battery down. There was no gas in it. It ran out of gas immediately before we even got off site. And they broke and unplugged some hoses under the hood. So we had to do a little bit of work, a few trips to the parts store, trip to Music City, what is it, Mercedes Benz of Music City or something like that. It's the one Nick Saban owns, coach of Alabama football. But we had to pick up a few little hoses and stuff to put on it. She's a clean car. We'll do a test drive here shortly. All right, let's pick up where we left off here and take a drive in this thing. And it's windy in Chattanooga today. Never driven the 3.5 with the 7-speed auto. Of course, I had the E350 with the V8 and 7-speed auto. It was an 07. This one feels pretty good, though. It's got plenty of pickup. Man, who needs a V8? This joker will go. I barely even given it any throttle. Quiet, good cold air. I may have mentioned this earlier, but this one is pretty loaded up with the command, heated seats, rear sunshade, and I think this burl wood trim is probably some type of upgrade. I'm not 100% sure. Somebody tell me if that's true or not. I got the new hood star put on. Man, you can't drive a Benz without a hood star. That's like communist. you just can't do that. again. Street sweeper! Hit you with the street sweeper. Oh, thank you. Trying to quit. Apparently the 06 suffers with a balance shaft issue. Not sure if it's been addressed on this one. We got to do a little research on that. And also it has the SBC braking, which I believe is like braking by wire. Mercedes has bumped up their recall on that, from what I've read, to 25 years, unlimited mileage. So if we have any issues with that, we know what to do there. That's pretty aggressive. But so far, no troubles with the brakes. Very quiet and comfy on the freeway. About 65 miles an hour. Sorry I couldn't get her up to a little more, but this is just going to be a short drive. Anyway, tell me what you think. 2006 E350 with 54,231 miles. Just a gem of a little car. Needs just a little TLC. I think it was obviously elderly owned. We've got a few bumps on the bumpers. We've got some, loose felt pieces, fabric, right here on them that we've got to take care of. And we've got a broken coolant hose under the hood that we think someone did on purpose. So can't really drive the car that much or very far anyway. So we got some fixing to do. The hood star was the first thing. That was easy. So I'll like, comment, subscribe. Please comment. I read all comments. I try to reply to all of them. And let's try and just get one more little freeway rant pull, and I'll sign off with that. Y'all have a great day. Peace.